A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, today in computer we are going to learn your chapter number 4, that is formatting text in Word 2016. Today we are going to move to part 2 of this chapter. Okay, in your previous video lesson I have shown you how to change the formatting of the text. Yes, whatever text we are writing it, how to change. Okay, then we have seen how to apply the effects of bold, italic, underline, font size, font color, etc. That was all character formatting. Okay, when we are formatting to a given text, okay, when we are doing some changes to the text, that is known as formatting. Okay, and if we are changing the font size, font color, then font type, all these things are known as character formatting. Okay, now you can also do the character formatting using this fonts dialog box. In your textbook it is written over there, the shortcut keys are written over here. Okay, now for what you have to pay attention, dear children, see, the default font in Word 2016 is Calibri, default font size is 11, default font style is regular, and default font color is black. These all are the default settings in our Microsoft Word. Whenever you will open your Microsoft Word, your text will be written in these formats. Understood, dear kids? Yes, what were the default settings which we have studied? The settings that are already predefined in a software, that are known as default setting. So this you have to learn it, okay? The default font, the default font size, style and color. Okay, it can come in MCQs. Now, today we are going to learn about superscript and subscript. Now, dear children, you might have seen mathematical equations like characters x2 plus y2, or names of gases like oxygen as O2 or carbon dioxide written as CO2. Okay, in your science, in your maths, you might have seen like this. Okay, now dear kids, here x2 plus y2, here 2 is called the superscript. That is, the character 2 is written above the line of the text. As you can see the changes, x is written, then above x 2 is written, that is x square plus y square, that is x square plus y square. So 2 is the superscript which is written above the text. And what is subscript? Which is written below the line of the text, that is subscript. For example, CO2 plus O2 plus and CO2. Here 2 is called the subscript, that is, here character 2 is written below the line of the text. Then the shortcut keys are also given to you. Control plus equals to for subscript, and for superscript control plus shift plus plus. Now I will show you, okay, in your practical as well. Now see, the font style is Calibri, the size is 11, okay, the color will be black. Now if I want to increase the size, I will increase the size from here and then I will start typing. Now if I want to write x square, that is the superscript. So dear children, it can be written from the font group in the home tab. In the home tab, in the font group, here you are having the superscript. Okay, once you click on it, then if you are writing 2, then 2 will be then shown like this. Okay, once again I am doing it. Now if you want to end the superscript, again you have to click on it. Okay, see, it is not been highlighted now, so that means we are writing in one line. Now if I want to write above the line of the text, again I will enable the superscript form here. I will just do a single click. See, it is been enabled over here, it is been highlighted. That means we will write the text in superscript now, like this. Is it clear? So now if you want to disable it, you will again click on it to disable it. Now it will not be highlighted. Now next, if I want to write the names of the gases, okay, that is O2. Now 2 will be written with the help of subscript. Again I will click on it, on subscript, then I will write 2 over here like this. It will be written below the line of the text. Again to disable it, you have to click on it. Then again you will put the sign of plus, then CO. Again 2 I will write with the help of subscript like this, dear children. Understood? That is CO2. Is it clear? What is superscript? What is subscript? Superscript means writing above the line of the text. Subscript means writing below the line of the text. Understood? Now let us see next what you are having, dear kids. Yes, text effects. Now in Word, there is a new button called text effects in the font group. Using this button, you can apply different kinds of effects to any document. You can change the look of the text by its color, outline, or adding effects like shadows, glow, reflection, etc. Okay, the next will be your highlighting text. Now let us see the text effects which is in the font group. Now see, this is your font group. Okay, in the home tab, in the font group, you are having the option of text effects. See, the A over here, yes, the A over here is the text effects. Okay, now to apply these effects, what you have to do? First of all, you have to select the text, dear children. You have to select the text, then you can click on it and you can choose any effect like this. See, we are having a reflection, shadows, each and everything we are having over here. Again, if you want to apply a different effect over here, then you can choose here. See, outline, shadow, reflection, glow, each and everything, different styles you are having here, dear children. Like this, you can make your text more attractive. Okay, understood? Now next, what was your highlighting text? Now dear children, when teachers are giving you some important points, so you highlight it in your notebooks, in your textbook. In the same way, we can highlight the text, the important points in computer as well. How we can do that? First of all, select the text. Then here you are having the option of text highlighting color. From this drop down arrow, you can choose any color. See, like this. Yes, you can choose any color, dear kids, like this. Then the text will be highlighted. Understood, dear kids? Are you all clear with this? Yes, I hope you are clear with these topics, dear kids. Now we will meet next time with something more interesting in computer. Till then, bye-bye all. God bless you. Take care.